In this video, we will solve exercise 3.1. So let's start with question first. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. Then, also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. In this question, we have to represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Algebraically means we have to represent the condition in the form of variable and constant. Let's start with algebraically. Let Aftab's present age be x years and daughter's present age equals to y years. Then 7 years ago, Aftab's age will be x minus 7 and daughter age will be y minus 7. 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. It means, according to question, 7 years ago, father's age means Aftab's age will be 7 times his daughter. So, x minus 7 equals to 7 multiplied by y, 7y minus 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. We can write it above equation as x minus 7y equals to minus 49. This minus 7 will become plus 7. On solving this, we will get x minus 7y equals to minus 42. Now, according to condition 2, after 3 years, Aftab age will be x plus 3 and his daughter age will be y plus 3. So, after 3 years ago, Aftab age will be 3 times his daughter age. So, x plus 3 equals to 3 multiplied by y is 3y plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. We can write above equation as x plus 3y will become minus 3y equals to 9, and this plus 3 when transposed to right hand side it will become minus 3. So, on solving we get x minus 3y equals to 6. Here equation first and equation second represent the given situation algebraically. Now graphically, we have two equation, x minus 7y equals to minus 42 and x minus 3y equals to 6. Now from equation first we get y in terms of x, that is x plus 42 upon 7. Now we draw the table of values corresponding to equation third. So x and y equals to x plus 42 upon 7. If we put x equals to 0, we get y equals to 6. 0 plus 42 equals to 42 and 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. And if we put x equals to minus 42, we will get y equals to 0. Minus 42 plus 42 equals to 0 and 0 divided by 7 is 0. And when we put x equals to 42, we will get y equals to 12. 42 plus 42 equals to 84 and 84 divided by 7 equals to 12. It means coordinates of A is 0 and 6, coordinate of point B is minus 42, 0 and coordinate of point C is 42 and 12. Now we take equation second, that is x minus 3y equals to 6, or we can write it as y in terms of x, x minus 6 upon 3. Now we draw the table of values corresponding to equation 4. X, y equals to x minus 6 upon 3. If we put x equals to 0, we will get y equals to minus 2, 0, minus 6 equals to minus 6 and minus 6 divided by 3 is minus 2. When we put x equals to 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, 0 divided by 3 is 0, means we will get y equals to 0. And when we put x equals to 42, we will get y equals to 12, means coordinates of point D is 0, minus 2, point E is 6 and 0 and coordinates of point F is 42 and 12. Now we will plot the points A, B and C to get the line AB and the point D, E and F to get the line CD as shown in the graph. Now we will see graph of lines AB and CD. Point A and the coordinates of point A is 0, 6. Here x value of x is 0, so it will be on y-axis. Next b, and coordinates of b is -42 and 0. Here value of y is 0, so it will be on x-axis, -42, 0. Next c, coordinates of c is 42 and 12. X-axis, first we see x-axis 42 and on y-axis 12. So coordinate c is 42 and 12. This is line AB. Now next line CD, point D, coordinates of point D is 0, -2. So here x is 0, so it will be on y-axis 0, -2. Point E, coordinates are E, 6 and 0. Here value of y is 0, so it will be on x-axis, and point F 42 and 12. Value of x 42 and 12. So this is the graph of the given situation, and here we got intersecting lines. Question second. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. In this question, a coach cricket buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900, and then she buys another bat, means 1 bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300, and we have to represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So let's start with algebraically. Let the cost of a bat is rupees x and the cost of a ball is rupees y. Then according to condition first, cost of 3 bat is 3x and cost of 6 ball is 6y, and the cost of 3 bat and 6 ball is rupees 3,900. From above equation we can take 3 common, so 3x plus 2y equals to 3,900, or we can write it as x plus 2y equals to 1,300. Now according to second condition, cost of 1 bat and 3 more ball, means x plus 3y equals to 1,300. Thus equation first and equation second represent the situation algebraically. Now graphically, we have two equations, x plus 2y equals to 1,300 and x plus 3y equals to 1,300. Now from equation first, we can write y in terms of x as 1,300 minus x divided by 2. Now we draw the table of values corresponding to equation third. X, y. Y is 1,300 minus x divided by 2. When we put x equals to 0, we will get y equals to 650. 1,300 minus 0 equals to 1,300, and 1,300 divided by 2 we get 650. And when we put x equals to 1,300, we will get y equals to 0. So points, coordinate of point A is 0, 650, and coordinate of point B is 13, 1,300 and 0. Now we take second equation, which is x plus 3y equals to 1,300. We can write it in terms of x as y equals to 1,300 minus x divided by 3. Now draw table of values corresponding to equation 4. X, y equals to 1,300 minus x divided by 3. When we put x equals to 1,000, we get 300, and 300 divided by 3 equals to 100. So on putting x equals to 1,000, we will get y equals to 100. And if we put x equals to 700, we will get y equals to 200. Means point C and coordinates of point C is 1,000 and 100. Point D, coordinates are 700 and 200. Now plot the point A, 0, 650, and point B, coordinates are 1,300 and 0 to get line AB, and the point C and D to get the line CD. Coordinates of point A are 0 and 650. Here value of x is 0, so it will lie on y-axis. Point B, coordinates of point B are 1,300 and 0. Here value of y is 0, so point B will lie on x-axis. So this is the line AB. Now next line CD. Coordinates of point C are 1000 and 100. From x-axis 1000 and from y-axis 100. So this is point C. Now next point D, and coordinates are 700 and 200. From x-axis 700 and from y-axis 200. So this point is D. Now this is the line CD. Here we see that line AB and CD intersect at this point. It means we in this graph we get intersecting lines. This is the graph of the given situation.